Yeah, well done, sir.
Mr. Man.
Officer.
What do you call this station?
Sir, I see in life, avoid friends. You see, bad friends, it's no good though. Sir, first of all, let's give a 1 minute silence for Edu, my friend. Because if I come out for this station, make him just catch himself gone. A minute silence, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, I'm done. Sir, actually, yesterday, I was on my own sleeping. This my friend Edu, he called me, say, Sabi, come, make we go where they share jollof rice. I said, jollof rice, because me and jollof rice, he get the cordial relationship where we get. We went there. I never knew he had evil intentions. All of a sudden, him bring something. Say they smoke am. Say the name na taekwondo. I said, taekwondo. Because me, I know they smoke. I don't. I said, no wahala. I said, no, take it so that the man in you will activate. I said, no wahala. May not be like say the door, the man in me. I took one. I take second one. So I know they say that taekwondo, if you do one, it's equivalent to 100. So in total, na 200. Now I do. All of a sudden, the man in me left me. And so this taekwondo just carried me. I was moving. Where am I going to? I don't know. The taekwondo took all over my life. Before you know, taekwondo booked taxi, put me inside taxi. I said, because my plan actually was to lodge after the party. But now the location where taekwondo put, no. He can't go book the taxi, he can't go put police station. I said, now who they lodge for police station? Now when we reach Kanta, I was trying to talk. The taekwondo spirit was overshadowing me, telling the police that he wants to book room. Yeah, I said, hey, they book room for police station. 9 this morning now they realize what I can recall now what happened, sir.
Tell you how many days we book?
Yes, now the thing where they cause this whole heat, my body now they hot. They thought say for counter for there say in book the room for 2 weeks inside police station. I said, who goes to police station 2 weeks on his own willingly? Now the officer thought say who book 2 weeks, they dash and free 1 week. So I beg, I just got to beg you. Now and the what you pay me as they push me enter the prison, taekwondo go. He go back the party. I don't know who he won't go deal with again. He left me here. I beg. If not, what if he just allow me? Make me and you go that place where the party day. If I see the taekwondo that they was smoke, I go fish on and say, see the cause of this whole incident. Therefore, Edu, leave him to me. If I don't wound that boy, sir, they close the gate. Hello, sir.
Close the gate.
Hello, sir, no. Sir, please. I just got to beg you. The slap when they slap people inside this station, not be my kind of slap.
Hey, Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
Mumu man! Sorry, but you hope another day fit day you will learn.